everyone, so I'm going to show you today a 2-minute style when your hair needs washing and you don't know what to do with it and you need to go out, work style, whatever you want. 2 minutes. So you'll start off by just directing all the hair back. If you wanted face framing bits, you can. It's not against the law. But I'm kind of choosing all the way back here. A little bit of hairspray just to kind of keep that hair all going back in one direction. I have just put the tiniest bit of back comb here, just pushing down with the comb, and then I'll use a wide tooth comb just to drag this hair back gently because I don't want it to be too brushed out and smooth. So just make sure that the back is all nicely brushed through, and I'm just going to pull this hair off the nape of the neck. I'm just going to go for kind of like a mid style today. You can go higher or lower. And then I'm going to place this hair in an elastic. I'm then going to create a little gap going through here. Placing 2 fingers through. Grabbing hold of this ponytail. So I've only got a little baby ponytail, so it should go through quite easily. Like that. So you can just put a little bit of back comb on this side of the hair if you've got a tiny amount like I have. If you've got more hair than me, you might not have to do this bit. I've just created a little bit of structure there and then just brushing over the other sides. Now I'm going to secure this hair by popping in another elastic. And then we're just going to take this little piece of hair and we're going to wrap it. Tuck it underneath. Take hold of a hair grip, so I'm catching the hair on the bun, pushing it in, then catching the hair on the head, like that, and then just kind of folding it back in on itself. So just do any spraying that you need from the front. Can you see why I just put that little bit of back comb in? Just gives that softer appearance, especially if I just kind of brush my hair back, I look like bald, I look like I've got no hair. So just put in that little bit of back comb to start with. I'll just give you one more little spin. So nice and swept up. I've only used 1 grip. You could use more if you were a little bit uncertain. And you can tease this bun out a little bit if you wanted to, but I'm kind of happy. I'm just going to keep it like that. And that's your finished look.